If you watched our Restoration Nation at all, you know we don't mind working hard. In fact, we kind of enjoy it. What we don't enjoy is doing the same work over and over and over again. And the swimming pool is a perfect example.
First, you vacuum the floor. Then you brush the walls. Then you scrub the water line. Then you realize the steps and tanning ledge still need attention, because that's exactly where buildup starts. By the time you're finished, half your Saturday is gone. That's what caught my attention about the Beatbot Sora 30. It's built to clean the floor, the walls, the water line, and even shallow platforms and steps, all in one cordless cleaning cycle.
Most robot cleaners do a pretty good job on the floor. Some climb the walls, some even scrub the water line. But the tanning ledges, the steps, those are usually left for you. That's where the Sora 30 is different.
Using dual ultrasonic sensors, the Sora recognizes those shallow areas, climbs onto them, cleans them, then transitions right back into deeper water without getting stuck. For anyone who's spent time on their hands and knees, scrubbing pool step, that's a pretty welcome improvement.
But coverage is only half the story. It actually has to pick everything up.
The Sora 30 moves about 6,800 gallons of water every hour. That means it can pick up everything from fine sand to leaves, twigs, bugs, and the everyday buildup that settles on pool surfaces. The wide cleaning path and oversized suction opening help collect larger debris instead of simply pushing it around.
Another thing I really like is the filter basket.
It's a full 5-liter basket, large enough to hold over 650 leaves. That means fewer interruptions, especially after storm or during heavy pollen season. Instead of stopping halfway through, you let it finish.
Wall climbing is another place where I pay particular attention.
The 4-roller brush system gives it excellent traction. Watching it move from the floor to the wall, all the way to the water line, is honestly pretty impressive.
Now this might actually be my favorite feature.
When it's finished cleaning, it doesn't stay sitting on the bottom. It floats to the surface, parks itself along the edge, and drains much of the water before you lift it out. Anyone who's wrestled a heavy pool robot will appreciate that. The 10,000 milliamp hour battery delivers up to 5 hours of floor cleaning, or about 4 hours cleaning the floor, walls, and water line. For most backyard pools, that's more than enough to finish the entire job in one session.
Whether you're getting the pool ready for a July cookout, having friends over for the weekend, or watching the big match outside, I'd rather have the pool ready without rebuilding my whole Saturday around cleaning it. If you'd like to learn more about the Beatbot Sora 30 or check out the current summer offer, I'll have the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to restoring something.